Birus Property Services Limited, a company owned by Simpson Birungi, who also owns Movit products, acquired plot 60-62 along Ardina Road in Jinja municipality through a lease offer by the Uganda Land Commission. Birungi evicted traders who had been doing business in a building since 1969 and erected the Busoga shopping mall. For 8 years, the traders and Birungi battled a case in court until they sought the help of the Commission of Inquiry into Land Matters. The mediation between the two parties has yielded positive results and an amicable settlement has been reached. Now, 10 families whose properties were destroyed during the eviction have been paid 600 million shillings.
Birungi, Birus Property Services, ejja kusasulayo million nkaaga olw'ebintu ebyo ebyayononebwa.
Each of the 10 tenants will get 60 million to cover the damages.
Era twakoba nti mwongere okuyamba ife abantu abagansi.
Simpson Birungi was represented by his lawyer and the manager of the company as he is in detention on charges related to Budo Junior School fire 10 years ago.
Our company released 600 million to compensate the tenants. We reached an amicable solution. It was very transparent process.
The Commission Chairperson Justice Bamugemereire said the Commission will make recommendation in respect to the ownership of the building that Simpson Birungi put up.
There are certain parts of this investigation that cannot be settled by the parties. An example of that is the ownership of the building. The parties cannot agree among themselves as to who owns the building, because that is not up to them.
The Commission also resolved another case that has been going on for 30 years between Remiaga County MP Theodore Ssekikubo and the family of Cresensio Mukasa in the Sembabule district.
Court proceedings took 30 years and were still incomplete at the time of this complaint. The area member of Parliament, Honorable Ssekikubo, evicted the complainants from the land and settled his cattle on it. It was agreed that Honorable Ssekikubo and Matia Cheyune would take 180 acres. Cresensio Mukasa would retain 416 acres. The parties have since taken possession of their respective portions of land as agreed.
Linda Patricia Aronda, the widow of the late General Aronda Nyakairima, who was battling with Rosette Mbabazi over a piece of land in Rwabitosi Gomba district, has agreed to pay 10 million shillings. These are among the many cases the Commission has resolved. Jingo Francis, NTV.